In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove all data in QuickBooks Online. If you've set up your QuickBooks Online company, but you've decided to start fresh for any reason, this process will help you clear out all of the information and start anew. However, there's an important detail to keep in mind right from the start. This technique only works if your QuickBooks Online company was created less than 60 days ago. So, if you're eligible and ready, let's dive in. First, you want to be in your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, head over to the URL bar at the top of your browser. Now, this next part is crucial, so make sure to follow closely. What you'll want to do is change the very last word in that URL to Purge Company. So, just a quick recap. Navigate to the URL bar, locate the last word in the address, and replace it with Purge Company. Once you've made that adjustment, simply press Enter. After you hit Enter, the system will take you to a confirmation screen. It's here where you'll need to really be sure about your decision, as you're essentially erasing all of your existing data. Take a moment to verify that you're ready to proceed, because after this point, there is no going back. On the confirmation screen, you'll confirm that you want to wipe your QuickBooks Online company data completely. It's a clean slate, but it's also final, so make sure this is indeed what you wish to do. Now, it's important to emphasize that this method is specifically for companies created in the last 60 days. If your company in QuickBooks Online was established more than 60 days ago, unfortunately, this particular method won't work. But don't worry, there's another path you can take. If you fall into this category, you will need to unsubscribe from your current QuickBooks Online plan. This is a straightforward process where you simply navigate to your account settings and follow the prompts to cancel your subscription. Once you've unsubscribed, the next step is to reach out to QuickBooks Online customer support. Although self-deletion isn't possible after the 60-day window, the supportive folks at QuickBooks will be able to assist you with the full deletion of your data. It may take a bit of additional time to get everything finalized, but rest assured, there is still a way to accomplish your goal. And there you have it. Whether you're able to use the quick method by altering the URL or the longer route of unsubscribing and reaching out to customer support, you now have the knowledge to purge all of the data and start fresh in your QuickBooks Online account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.